Let's talk about astroturfing. And no, we're not talking about fake grass for your backyard. In the world of marketing and media, astroturfing is way sneakier and kinda shady. Astroturfing is when a company, organization, or even a political group pretends that a message or movement is coming from regular people, aka the grassroots, when it's actually carefully crafted behind the scenes. It's like faking public support to make something seem more popular or trustworthy than it really is. Imagine this. You see tons of glowing online reviews for a new product, but turns out most of those accounts are fake, or they were paid to hype it up. Or maybe there's a viral social media trend pushing a certain agenda, but behind the scenes, it's actually being run by a PR agency. That's astroturfing in action. Why should you care? Because it messes with your ability to make real, informed decisions. Whether it's choosing a product, forming an opinion, or even voting, astroturfing can mislead you without you even knowing it. It's marketing manipulation at its finest, or worst. And with AI and bots making it easier than ever to mass-produce content, spotting the fake from the real is getting harder. That's why transparency, honest branding, and digital literacy matter now more than ever. At Cyber Dunes, we're all about cutting through the noise and helping you stay sharp in this fast-moving digital world. Like what you're reading? Make sure to follow us and subscribe for more breakdowns on digital trends, tech tricks, and marketing truths. Join us at Cyber Dunes as we keep it real and help you do the same.